The e-commerce market is dominated by a few major players, including Amazon and Alibaba. These and other e-commerce behemoths are rapidly transforming in ecosystems. Welcome to our channel, eCommerce Know-How, and in this video, we'll see why e-commerce companies are becoming ecosystems. It's difficult to fight against such a competitive advantage. The success of a platform business model has also been demonstrated by Chinese super apps such as WeChat, as well as attempts to create the same tools in different countries, for example, Russian Mail.ru, Group Plus VK, and replicate the financial results of e-commerce giant Amazon. We are witnessing the globalization of e-commerce in various regions and markets, ranging from China to Kazakhstan, and from online ad services to marketplaces. It's unlikely that the development trajectory will change significantly. Despite international antitrust authorities' efforts to penalize some e-commerce players for abusing their monopolistic position, this remains the case. Horizontal e-commerce acquisitions. Kazakhstan's market Kaspi is expanding its operations in Ukraine, Azerbaijan, and Uzbekistan. The company most likely intends to become the leading e-commerce platform in the Commonwealth of Independent States or even Eastern Europe. It's already been dubbed Kazakhstan Alibaba. Kaspi's strategy is also similar to Amazon's, which has already acquired more than 100 companies. This list enabled Amazon to create an ecosystem in which customers rely solely on Amazon's projects, from delivering food to assembling purchased furniture at the buyer's location. These transactions enabled Amazon to expand its operations around the world. Zoox, a developer of drone cars, was purchased by the e-commerce giant for $1.2 billion in 2020. They also paid $13.7 billion for Whole Foods Market in 2017. This allowed Amazon to open its first physical stores. Amazon ecosystem. Walmart, the American retailer, had similar ambitions when it paid $16 billion for 77% of the Indian e-commerce giant Flipkart in 2018 and $3.3 billion earlier for Jet.com. E-commerce businesses create their own delivery services. Their contractors devise new ways to outperform the competition in terms of speed and quality. Creating an airline for logistic services, such as Ukrainian Nova Poshta, is one of them, as it allows e-commerce companies to ensure same-day delivery. How to match and surpass the leaders. Despite regulators' efforts to slow these processes, e-commerce market consolidation is unavoidable. Ecosystems and super apps are the future of e-commerce. Market leaders are already absorbing the companies they require for this purpose. Big players expand globally, enter foreign markets, and appear to be untouchable in terms of competition. But first and foremost, there will be a place for niche players. They will attract a distinct audience due to their expertise in a particular field. Second, you must, and you can compete with well-known marketplaces such as Amazon. You must be prepared for either a budget battle or the use of another resource. For example, the telecom operator has half of the country's subscribers. As an added value, it can capitalize on its customer base and create a retail platform for clients. As a result of reassigning resources, this hypothetical telecom operator reduces their marketing budget and occupies their niche. However, the most important prerequisite for outperforming the leaders is the development of your own business ecosystem. What is an ecosystem for retail? It is insufficient to be merely an online store or marketplace. To meet customer demand, you'll need a slew of proprietary and partner services. A business ecosystem's goal is to meet as many needs as possible in a single location within one company. It's not just about the need to buy a product. It's about a wide range of customer requests. Aside from Amazon, another well-known ecosystem in the world is Alibaba Group. They have everything from the wholesale platform Alibaba and retailer AliExpress to services that are only available in China. They launched Youku, a YouTube-like platform, an internet browser, a functional shell Alibaba Cloud, logistics, fulfillment, and Alimama, a big data service. The key concept is that Alibaba addresses the entire life cycle of various customer needs. All of these products allow the Alibaba Group's goods and services to be integrated into a single ecosystem. Alibaba Group Ecosystem. All of the preceding is an excellent example of how to build a business in today's online modern reality. Initially, there is a reasonably flexible back-office platform similar to Scalium. This platform enables you to immediately collaborate with third-party merchants, connect logistics operators and other partners, and manage product assortment. Because of the platform's flexibility, you should be able to make any changes and scale efficiently in the future. And then your company will not be afraid to compete in the same marketplace as Amazon and Alibaba. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your thoughts about e-commerce ecosystems? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.